Go.
Wednesday, 4:25 p.m. Line 1.
Hey, Paul and Tammy. This is Scott, Traverse City, Michigan. Scott Services Fine Carpet Care. Anyways, got my calendars. It's like they rock completely. I'm so pleased with my purchase, and thank you very much for. I think you threw an extra $5 in there, and so far I gave 3 or 4 of them away, and my clients are just like, these are beautiful. Anyways, I intend on getting some every year from now on, and I really love your rug care guide brochure. I plan on ordering some of them too. And God bless. And
Friday, 3:29 p.m. Line 2.
Hey there, Paul and Tammy. It's Phil at Castle Cleaning. I just received my calendars, and I'm duly impressed. You guys done good this year. I thought the other years were bad. Very pleased. This is a good job, and it's nice change. You know how I'm a critical asshole. I can't find too much to bitch about. I'm frustrated. But I'm real happy. I think you guys are going to do well. I bet you're going to do real well on a reprint because people are going to like it enough to do it again.